Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Alrighty, USDCAD today analysis. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are above the EMA, but this is your doji weekly candle. So I think, yeah, 50-50 doji, right? So indecision. Coming back to daily chart, new highs created. So we have to take a pullback. Okay, remember when we were on this candle, I told you that I'm not going to enter USDCAD until I see the rejection from the EMA. I think that's going to happen this coming week. Okay, I think coming week will be red. And in this coming week, we should come and reject this EMA, and then you can look for longs in daily chart if you're a swing trader. Coming back to 4 hour here, 4 hour, we are surely going for the EMI. Okay, so if you are into 4 hour trading, close your eyes and take a short until the EMI. Okay, the price will come and reject the EMI. I'm telling you right now, in 4 hour. In 4 hour. Okay, so the only thing I have to say is that, again, I have said that in my GBP and Euro video as well, that dollar is being manipulated right now on purpose. They are not releasing the news and certain events. I would try to avoid trading dollar pairs. But if you want to trade, then you go and watch my analysis for all dollar pairs. And if you want to trade non-dollar pairs, non-USD pairs, like these ones, then you can join my premium signals. Okay, and go and check out these links below the video here. Subscribe, like all of that. We discussed everything in the beginning, and I'll see you in my next videos. Well, then take care.